Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the ocean, the sun rising over a turquoise horizon or snow-capped peaks glistening under a crisp sky. Whether you're chasing warmth in the Bahamas or longing for the wild serenity of Alaska, cruise vacations offer tailored experiences for every kind of traveler. The question is, which voyage will speak to your soul? Cruising has evolved into one of the most versatile and immersive ways to travel. No longer confined to just sun seekers or retirees, cruise itineraries now span a wide range of interests and landscapes, appealing to solo explorers, couples, families, and even adventure seekers. From tropical escapes to Arctic expeditions, every route promises a unique blend of comfort, exploration, and cultural discovery. For those dreaming of crystal-clear waters, powdery beaches, and laid-back island vibes, a cruise to the Bahamas is an irresistible choice. Often starting from Florida ports, these short yet indulgent trips offer quick access to paradise. Perfect for first-time cruisers or weekend getaways, the Bahamas delivers snorkeling, beach bars, and a splash of island culture just hours from the mainland. On the opposite end of the spectrum lies Alaska, raw, majestic, and deeply humbling. An Alaskan cruise unveils towering glaciers, misty fjords, and an intimate look at wildlife from bald eagles to humpback whales. It's the ideal escape for those craving nature, solitude, and adventure. Many itineraries include guided hikes, dog sledding, or visits to native villages, creating an unforgettable mix of natural wonder and cultural insight. If you're craving variety, the Caribbean offers everything from party ports in Cozumel to the lush rainforests of St. Lucia. For more refined tastes, Mediterranean cruises whisk you through ancient cities, world-class cuisine, and iconic coastlines from Barcelona to Santorini. Meanwhile, river cruises in Europe provide a more intimate, leisurely pace, ideal for culture buffs and food lovers alike. Choosing the right cruise depends on your travel goals. Do you want relaxation or exploration? Culture or adventure? Long voyages across continents or short escapes? Knowing your ideal experience will help narrow down destinations and cruise lines tailored to your needs. Now is the perfect time to start planning. Cruise deals are competitive, new ships are launching with state-of-the-art amenities, and ports are offering increasingly immersive excursions. Don't wait to turn your dream voyage into reality. Which cruise destination excites you the most, sun-soaked Bahamas or icy Alaskan wonders? Share your dream journey with us in the comments.